two giveaways going on tonight. One for this absolutely beautiful Lancer Tactical Special Build AEG, and another for the Shopping Spree giveaway for $500. You guys don't want to miss out. Any $20 or greater order that you place right now at Airsoft GI, whether it be online or in store, can get you the win for this AEG and the $500 prize pot. Heck, if anything, imagine winning both. Don't miss out, get those orders in. The deadline to enter the Shopping Spree giveaway is going to be 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and for the giveaway for this AEG is going to be 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So don't miss out, get those orders in. It should be hella easy considering all the amazing deals we got going on at Airsoft GI.